Welcome back to Live from the Camper, House Edition. My name's Tony, and today we're making a healthy, easy, but most important, delicious meal. We're making lemon pepper chicken and roasted vegetables, all right here in the Ninja Foodi. Well, are you ready? Good, let's get cooking. All right, here's what you need for your vegetables. I cut up summer squash, zucchini, and bell peppers into bite-sized pieces, along with some onions. Now, these are a little bit bigger than bite-sized, but you know they shrink when they cook. And some cherry tomatoes. 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. And I like using balsamic vinaigrette, but I use the Skinny Girl. Why? Because there's, 10 calories, no fat, no sugar, but it's full of flavor. That's a winner with me. Then we have a chicken breast, some lemon pepper seasoning of your choice. I use the Great Value from Walmart. It's cheap but tasty. And olive oil. That's it. So what you want to do is take those vegetables, go ahead and dump them in a bowl. Drop in that garlic. Drop in the balsamic vinegar. You don't need a lot. So I would say about 3 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons, somewhere in there. Don't really need measurements, but start with 2 tablespoons for everybody out there that has to have a precise recipe. Let's give it a stir. Drop a little cracked pepper in there. And some salt. I'm using Himalaya pink salt. Let's toss it up. All right, let's set to the side. Grab that chicken breast. Drop on a little bit of olive oil. And coat it in lemon pepper. Don't be shy with it either. I did take that chicken breast, trim off a little bit of the fat, and lightly pounded it down to about 1/2 inch. Flip it over and do it again. Prep's done. How easy was that? Go ahead and preheat your Ninja Foodi at 375 degrees for 5 minutes. Then we're gonna throw this all in the crisper basket and we're gonna cook for another 15 to 20 minutes. Well, we preheated for about 5 minutes, so let's open the lid. As you notice, I put a towel down here. That's because I'm gonna take out the whole thing, insert and the crisper basket, put it on there. It's hot. Reason I'm leaving it in the insert is because when I pour that in there, I don't want juices going all over the place. That balsamic vinegar and all that good stuff. All right, let's take that chicken, put it off to one side. Take those vegetables and dump it in. On the side of the chicken, of course. I spread them out a little bit. And see? Now all the juices and stuff didn't go all over my countertop. Let's put the whole thing back in. And let's go for 15 minutes and see what happens. Well, if you missed anything, don't worry about it. It'll all be down in the description box down below. Also down in the description box is a link to our Facebook group page, the Ninja Foodi Instapot Universe. Click on it, come over and check us out. Well, the timer went off. I temped the chicken, it's 167 degrees. So let's plate it up and eat it up. It's gonna be delicious. And yes, I did wash these. Look at that, doesn't that look good? cut up a little red bell pepper and green bell pepper because you know I like color on my food. Those vegetables are a beautiful color anyways. Just throw it on there. Doesn't have to be perfect. All gonna taste good. Well, look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? Doesn't that look fantastic? Healthy, delicious, and super fast to make. Make you look like a hero with your family. Or if you're just cooking for yourself, hey, you're worth it, aren't you? Well, let's give it a try. Start off with a little of that chicken. Oh yeah, it's super juicy. That's perfect. It's lemony and peppery. Hence the name lemon pepper chicken. Ooh, tickle my throat. Pepper got me. That is fantastic. It's juicy. You got a lot of the lemon citrus flavor. You get that pepper. That is fantastic. And to complement it, let's try these vegetables. No crunch to them. Taste the twang from the balsamic vinegar. It's fantastic. Well, yeah. You're looking for something quick and easy to make, I highly recommend you making this. Let's go for that onion. It's sweet, it's crunchy, it's so flavorful, it just bursts with flavor. It is the perfect complement to that lemon pepper chicken. I'll tell you what, if eating healthy is eating like this, I'm gonna be the skinniest person in town because that is fantastic. Well, I got one question for you. Are you hungry? Good. Let's eat.